Attention, WhatsApp users! A new feature is now available in Status. You can now add a question box directly to your photo or video status. Here is how it works. When you upload a new status, look at the top of your screen and tap on the sticker icon. After that, you will see a new option called Question. Tap on it and a small question box will appear on your status. Now, type the question you want to ask. It could be anything, like where is this place or which picture looks better? Once you are done typing, press the Done button. You can then move the question box around on your status. Place it wherever it looks good. After you are satisfied with how it looks, simply post your status. Now, when your friends or contacts view your status, they will see the question box you added. To reply, they just have to tap the Respond button, type their answer, and send it. The best part is that their reply is completely private. Only you will see it. No one else can view their answer. When someone replies to your status question, the message won't show in your chats. To see the replies, open your status and look at the bottom of the screen. Tap the eye icon that shows who viewed your status. There, you will find all the replies people have sent. You have full control over the replies you receive. If someone sends a reply that you don't like, you can choose to delete it from your status replies, or you can even report it if it feels inappropriate. You also have the option to share someone's reply directly to your status so others can see it. And if you want to respond to someone's answer, you can simply reply to them. When you send your response, it will go straight to their chat, just like a normal message.